Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can use the clear mode in TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. Let's go to the feed page. Okay, suppose in this video you want to use the clear mode. What you have to do, just long press on it and you will see this pop-up. Now you have to tap on clear mode. Okay, as you can see, the screen is clear now. On the bottom right corner of the screen, you will see a button. If you want to exit this clear mode, you just have to press there. Likewise. Okay, so that's it guys. Likewise, you can use the clear mode in TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.